Hello America, Mark Kelson here at Guaranty RV today in Junction City, Oregon to present to you an extremely beautiful high quality Dutch Star 4018 model. It's a 2018 unit. So coming in, this thing has the porcelain tile that has the heating underneath it, so your tootsies will be warm in the morning when you get up here and walk on it. It's a beautiful coach. You got the two chairs with a little stand in between across from the couch, and also the televator which goes down, and so you can just sit in here and entertain and just have fun viewing pleasure in here. Tell you what, has the coastal cherry wood, and it's all wood throughout. There's no wrap. This is all wood. Beautiful cabinetry. This is an awesome coach. Coming over here into the kitchen, you got the Corian countertop. You do have the little island that comes out to allow for more prep space. You have the convection microwave in the kitchen. This one right here has the induction cooktop. Little pull out right there so you can get the things that are hard to reach right here in the back. This is so nice. The sink, big basin sink with the beautiful black chrome look on the faucet. Nice accents with the tile inlaid right there. Look at this. This is so awesome. There's so many things in this coach. I got to move on. Over here you do have the little booth area. Very comfortable seating like this. So natural. It's awesome. This is a bath and a half. So here's your half bath. Center hinge door. Little commode. Window. Little sink in there. Coming over here, you have the refrigerator. Was locked. And then you have the freezer on the bottom. A lot of room in there. Put a lot of stuff. It could be gone for a while. Right here, the pantry with the pull-out drawers. Again, you can get to the back. Very, very simple. Coming back here, it does have a king bed. Side windows for ventilation and viewing. Coming over here, you have a couple wardrobes with a bank of drawers underneath. One of your emergency exits right there in that window. Coming to the back, you have the second bath. This is pretty awesome. Corner shower. Nice little seat inside that shower. Very stylish shower head. More wardrobe right there with a safe back in the corner. Single sink, nice vanity mirror. Here is where the washer dryer would go if you wanted it there. Otherwise you do have shelves. Here's your other, this is your other exit door. Let's see if I can do this. See how easy that is? There, so the event of an emergency, boom. Has a ladder that goes down right at the bottom. Let's go up front and see what it has to offer. You do have this flush slide out right here, so that's a hydraulic slide, so it allows you to put tile in the slide itself instead of carpet. It's pretty nice also. So coming up front, this is on the Freightliner chassis. It's a Dutch Star 4018, so you're going to have a 450 Cummins engine in this coach. And it's going to be a side draft radiator. Going to have all the power you need. Look at all this stuff up here. It's lined out real easy though for you. You do have the navigation and the cameras right here. Backup cameras, your radio, all that stuff. This does have hydronic heating in it also. So you got your generator, battery boost, your pedals are adjustable, your steering wheel's adjustable, HWH levelers. This does have a 3-stage engine brake in it, so you don't have to tear up your brakes. Allison transmission, just a lot to offer in this coach. Let's go outside and see what it has to offer. So coming outside, beautiful coach. It's got the gray, the blue, the cream color. It's all on a masterpiece finish. Just absolutely gorgeous. You have the slide toppers up above, the awning coming over the entry door. You have the Girard awnings way up above, and both of them come out very far. Coming over here, you have a TV on the outside. You got the windows that are the flush mount, frameless windows. Side open baggage doors. Huge, huge space. There you have the slide tray, pulls out both sides. Here's the half slide tray, pulls out on this side. It's a bigger tray. And right here, interesting little compartment. You can put your tools in there, peg them in there, so that you have them at the ready all the time. This is a tag axle, so this is a passive tag, so that tag axle turns as you turn and gives you a better cut. Makes it a lot easier to turn. There is some DEF right there. And right here are the chassis batteries. So coming to the back, again, you do have access to your motor back here, your 450 Cummins, so you can do some of the maintenance yourself by getting this one with the side draft radiator. You do have your tow hitch right down there, 7-way plug, camera up above. Extremely stylish coach. Again, side draft radiator. Your water bay, your automatic hose reel right there, all your connections for the water. Right there's your cord reel. It's on an automatic wind. Right here's your Oasis, so your Aqua Hot. Hydronic heating system gives you radiant, very radiant heat and hot water on demand. Again, one more slide tray, pass through, all the way through, both sides. And a bank of batteries that you won't believe. All the power you could ever need right there. Up in front, we do have the run bay. With all of your fuses and wires and everything right there, all coded for you. You do have a generator up front. And I'll tell you what, there's a lot on this coach, a lot more than we have time for today, but please feel free to give me a call. My name is Mark Kelson, 541-285-8791, or the number at the bottom of the screen. Thank you so much for watching today.